What if I told you the first movie ever made wasn't in a theater, and it didn't even have a story? It was just a man sneezing. Yeah, literally, just a sneeze. And yet, it changed the world. In 1894, a guy named Fred Ott had a cold. Thomas Edison's team thought it would be cool to film his sneeze using a brand new invention called the kinetograph, the first motion picture camera. The film, just 2 seconds long, called Fred Ott's Sneeze. No plot, no actors, just history in the making, because this was the birth of cinema. From sneezes to blockbusters, we've come a long way. Want to see what the second film was? Follow for part 2.